Hello, hi everyone. Again, a very warm welcome to all of you on our channel SM Tutorial Online 2022. For the last few videos, I have taken some classes on the English, specifically on the syllabus of the West Bengal Board English, and I have already completed a chapter on the first story of class 8 West Bengal Board, and after that I have also shared a video on the aspect of the translation. But today in this video I just want to get in touch with all of you and just want to know what else you peoples want to know regarding something more in the English, whether it would be suitable for you all to be attached with grammar, or something else you peoples want to know regarding the part of the other things which are related to English. So in that case I just want to have that feedback from all of you. I hope you peoples are enjoying our video. I hope you peoples are all um, uh, understanding the way we are trying our level best in order to provide the best of the knowledge from our side. And once again, thanks to all of you for being there for the journey that we have for the last few days. It has been already more than 20 days we have launched our channel, and it has been a wonderful journey to all of you. Thanks once again. So all of you, please share and subscribe and like our channel. Hope that we are going to provide more and more information. So thank you so much. Have a nice day.